Hey guys, so yesterday I made a quick post about a new product I got, kind of on a product review kick right now. It's from a company called FoxtrotKilo company. They're a law enforcement owned company. The guys are all former patrol officers. I think they're now in narcotics and SWAT, but they've got familiarity with a lot of duty gear and equipment, and they make a variety of items that are applicable to law enforcement. But this particular item is it's called their modified UBL belt attachment, and basically what they're doing is they're taking a Safariland belt attachment for duty gear and they're modifying it and attaching a tech lock clip, and it allows compatibility across several belts, which when I used to be on the SWAT team, this would have been very applicable to transfer from one belt to the next if needed, and you know, it would prevent you from having to buy a bunch of different attachments if that was an issue. So what I got is their mid-ride. They come in different heights, so you can get like the drop, so I guess it'd be a low ride, drop, and then a mid-ride, which is kind of the standard for the Safariland ALS holsters. But the Safariland holsters stock, they kind of have a forward cant to the holster, which is really kind of annoying. I really prefer to have a straight draw on a firearm, either if I'm carrying on a hip for everyday carry or for duty. And they offer, FoxtrotKilo offers an option to get rid of the cant. So it's really stupid simple, but they've been doing this for apparently a few years locally with some of their own guys and just some friends, and they've just recently made it available as a product that they're now offering. But it really takes away the that forward cant and provides that straight draw that I really prefer. I really like it a lot. So I'm a couple of days into it, and so far I think that it's going to be a really strong attachment. I have full confidence in the tech lock attachments. They are on a wide variety of duty equipment and just regular carry stuff, cuff cases, taser holsters. I mean, my taser holster has a tech lock on it that I've used for years, but I have 100% confidence in that, and you guys should check it out. Again, the company is FoxtrotKilo company. Again, law enforcement owned, and check it out and support them. They got some really cool stuff. They've got some belts, some everyday carry belts, some SWAT belts and stuff like that. They got their own thing going, and they're a really good company. I've done some business with them in the past, and they're really reputable as far as I'm concerned. So check them out yourself on social media, Instagram and Facebook, FoxtrotKilo company, and FoxtrotKiloCO.com. So anyway, check them out, see what you think. You guys stay safe.